What's the deal? I'm back with another POV drive. And my 2013 300C. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully this video will be a little bit better quality, you know what I'm saying, than the last video. I realized like when I record, I didn't put 4K 60 frames. You know, I got the window rolled down for y'all a little bit to hear. You feel me? And that ain't even sport. But we gonna put her in sport. We gonna put her in sport. 12 is right there, bro. Like, I hit that turn hard as hell. All I smell is that carbon shit. Engine. Roll the windows up a little bit to show y'all the insulation this motherfucker could have too, though. We gotta do the rear end conversion, but my car looked like a scat. No faking. If you know, you know. But I like how I got the newer cluster. I can see my speed. This motherfucker perfect, man. No faking. It feel like I'm in like a newer car. I just need to update this radio, at least get the Apple CarPlay shit, module shit, and get the newer get a SRT steering wheel in here, then I'd be more satisfied. No cap. I'll bring the brightness down a little bit for y'all in this video. I like it kind of bright, I ain't gonna lie. They give it that extra, you know. And this motherfucker driving, but besides me neither on alignment and shit, this motherfucker riding pretty good. No cap. His ass is not trying to cut up. For real, for real. His ass not trying to cut up for real, for real. Look at his ass. Oh my God, bro. Here we go with this slow driving ass motherfucker. Shit. Like the fuck? I'm a little bit more quiet on this POV, y'all, cause you know this is gonna be more like an ASMR style type of video, V8 ASMR. motherfucker is doing this deed. Oh, let me chill the fuck out, cause 12 down there. And cruise control. Yes, my cruise control work. Oh, they on this side? What the hell? Oh, this a raining POV drive, nah. And I ain't gonna speed no more, y'all, unless I get on the street. I don't fuck around with the rain on the freeway. I don't do that. I don't fuck around with that type of shit. Traction is still on, as y'all see. Going 76 in the fast lane in the rain, late night in the 300 Hemi. No cap. I got another little pull for y'all, even though it's raining. Yeah, Sirski. Like, once this motherfucker get to moving, it's moving, bro. Like, damn, I can only imagine a scat or a Hellcat. Like, dog. And I've been driving this car for 3 years, y'all. And it's like, this shit never get old for real, for real. And it ain't nothing but a little 5.7. You feel me? So I can only imagine, bro. I can only fucking imagine. But I'm blessed to still have this motherfucker, and I'm glad this motherfucker ain't got no lights on the dash, as y'all see. I ain't really got, you know, shit to worry about for real, for real. Nigga, I remember I had let one of my cousins drive my shit. It was raining just like this, nigga, and he was pushing my shit, bro. Thank God, nigga, my tires was a ball, because I'm like, dog, what the fuck? This nigga over here talking about something. You feel me? In the rain. Oh, it's starting to come down for real, nah. Let me chill. Oh, it's coming down, nah. Yes, sir. That's for sure going in the title. Rainy day, rainy, late night, rainy POV drive in the 300 Hemi, man. Cool plan. Ooh, I can't wait to give y'all some traction off content when I get back up on the street. Damn, I should have came up. What you call it? So it could have been a more of a travel. Nope, that shit felt weird. Nope. I don't know if y'all know, but I hydroplaned on an E-way before. Good thing it wasn't no cars on the side of me or nothing like that. And I'm gonna show y'all the outside look of the car too. I might risk getting my motherfucking self wet. But I might make a separate video showing, you know, the outside of my car and things of that nature. And my phone is on 10%, so this POV is finna be wrapped up pretty soon. I just wanna, man, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I get on the street. Okay, y'all, we back on the street with it. Turn traction off. Mind you, it's wet outside, y'all. Make sure that ain't 12. Why this car driving behind me like this, bro? I'm gonna probably downshit this motherfucker for y'all. I thought that was 12 for a second. That's why I ain't really want to stab off in this bitch for real. And they want to drive the same speed. Like, get the fuck out of here, bro. Oh yeah, that was a good little pull. Oh my goodness. How can you ever get tired of that? No faking. The video had ended because I had ran out of storage, so I had to clear up a little bit of storage. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. And yeah, more POV drives, more videos about the Hemi in general. Just let me know what type of videos y'all want to see other than POV drives. You know, I'm kind of new to the YouTube, and POV is kind of my favorite type of videos to make. So just let me know what y'all want to see for real. But like, subscribe, and yeah.